Hey, what up, everybody? It's Martin Tellez. I found a song called Drops of Jupiter, so I thought I would play it while I do my presentation on Jupiter. And we'll start here with my main page. I like this image right here. Our next slide here is where is Jupiter? And Jupiter, as you can see here, is pointed out. Here's Earth, Mercury, Venus, the Sun, of course, Saturn, which glows pretty brightly here. And this is from the planets today and where it was on Friday when I made this presentation. My next slide here is it's Jupiter's size. As you can tell from this picture here, compared to the other planets, Jupiter's massive, the biggest planet in our solar system. You can see how big it is compared to all the other planets in this picture, which is why I liked it. You can see it in the night sky. You just have to look for it and know where to look. You can also see its moons. Here, our next slide is Jupiter, the atmosphere. The atmosphere of Jupiter is the largest planetary atmosphere in the solar system. It's mostly made of molecular hydrogen and helium, and other chemical compounds are present in only small amounts, which include methane, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and even water. And here you can see the inside of Jupiter, which they're really not sure about the core. They're kind of just guessing. They really have no idea if it has a core. My fascinating fact, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you had this one. It's kind of been fascinating ever since I was younger. The red spot. And I knew it was always a giant storm, but I guess it's a non-stop hurricane, so it was pretty cool to learn that there's actually a non-stop hurricane there. And there you go. These are my works cited where I got my pictures and where I read some of the stuff that I used for this report. So thank you for watching and can't wait to see you in Saturn.